I'm Sally, and I live in Ocean Pines, Maryland. I've lived in this house for about 15 years now. And I first called DryZone to come out to my house in 2017. I had seen an advertisement on the television, and they're actually the second company I called because the first one didn't follow through on what I'd asked them to do. So they came out and they were super professional, and I couldn't afford the encapsulation at that time. So they came up with a system of sump pumps to put in a drainage system, which worked wonderfully for years. I didn't really call them back for maintenance like I should have. And when they finally did come out, one of the doors had started to rot it a little bit, and the person was able to get the door replaced under warranty, and he really went the extra mile. I actually wrote an email to the company months later because I was so impressed, and I don't ever do that. But I was very impressed that he had done that extra thing. That's just recently I had encapsulation done in my house, and it feels so much better. Everybody I have dealt with at DryZone has been really wonderful, really professional. They get back to me. And I've just been very happy with them. I would recommend them, and I have recommended them to anybody who asks me about having work done in crawl spaces in their house.